Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here we have a data validation. We have two sets of fruits, one allowed, one not allowed. I'll show you how to set this up. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to use data validation. You're familiar with it by now. The key thing here is the COUNTIF. We've been using COUNTIF time and time again. Setting it up is, we have a range and a criteria. The critical thing here equals 0. Why? Because we need to find a false, right? Equals 0 will make this either true or false, and we want this to be false. We're going to insert the data validation in here from B5 to B9. Critical to make sure your name range is in place. How do you verify that? Just highlight it, and you're going to see not allowed here. Going into data validation, all we're going to do, and it's already in place. So I'm going to show you conditional formatting. Remember, to set this up, grab this COUNTIF first. In other words, copy it, put it in your back pocket, so to speak. Highlight this list, then open data validation. Data validation, data validation. We're going to have a choice. Hit custom. From custom, hit copy paste. Then when you insert this originally, you won't be able to apply these changes, but it should insert to your entire range. If you want messages, put your message. If you want other data, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and type in cherry, and it's explicit. You could put CHEERY, and it will work, but cherry, you see, it won't work. If you go in and put CHEERY, it'll work. The data is explicit. Keep that in mind. You need to read up, brush up. You can read the information on your right. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.